Hello friends, welcome to Global Online University. Friends, applications for admission of the PhD in Karnataka University Dharwad. The notification has been released. You can start applying. And friends, here you can read the whole information is there. You can download it from KUD website and you can go through it. You can register for part-time or also for full-time. And here regulations are given. You can go through it and you can apply before 17 February 2021. As a candidate shall submit duly filled application form along with all the necessary documents to the chairman concerned PG department on or before 17 to 2021. And eligibility for admission here 55% plus marks in PG for SC, ST and category 1 physically challenged to candidates. It is 50%. For other eligibility criteria I can go through it. And friends, coming to the entrance test, yes, all the aspirants possessing the minimum percentage of marks in their PG degree, they have to go through the entrance test. And if you have cleared UGC NET or Karnataka state eligibility test, then then no need to attend the entrance test. And if you haven't cleared any UGC NET or KSET, you have to apply for the entrance test. Then here if you go through the entrance test, the maximum marks are 100 here. Nature of the questions are multiple choice questions, and syllabus is research methodology plus your core subject, and there are 100 questions and each question will carry 1 mark here. And the syllabus is 50% questions shall be from research methodology and remaining 50% from your core subject. It means 50 questions are from research methodology and 50 questions from your subject PG core subject. And thus 50 questions on research methodology consist of data interpretation, language comprehension and test of reasoning, and the other 50 questions shall be based on the current PG syllabus of your core subject. Yes, and here the duration is 120 minutes and venue of the test is exam section and Dr. R.C. Hiremat Institute of Kannada Studies, KU Dharwad. Then one good news for you friends, for your KUD PhD entrance test, we are providing you mock tests on research methodology. Here we are going to provide you 10 mock tests. These 10 mock tests will cover your 50 questions from research methodology. It includes the whole syllabus from research methodology, that is reasoning, data interpretation and from research methodology, and another 50 questions will be from your core subject. Then here you can download all the 10 tests in PDF format, and these 10 tests on research methodology for your KUD PhD entrance test are available only at rupees 999. Okay, if you want to enroll for these tests, you can make payment on 9921768765 via any mobile payment such as Google Pay. Friends, if you want to apply for KUD PhD entrance test, and these 10 mock tests are very helpful to boost your preparation, to assess your preparation, because if you clear the entrance test, then only you are allowed to for the admission of the PhD. So if you buy these 10 tests, your first 50 questions, that is from research methodology, will be covered here. So you can focus more on your paper to 50 questions. So these 10 if you enroll for these tests, it is helpful for your preparation. Then these 10 tests are available only at rupees 999. Okay, all the best.